Hello everyone. Today we are going to see how we can change the hair color of a person in a Photoshop. So we are going to take lasso tool and make a rough selection around the hair, like we are doing here. Try to adjust this selection. To avoid the skin as possible, because when you're going to change the color of the skin, once you have made your selection, go and select the select and mask, and you will see your hair like this. Take the refine edge tool and set the hardness to the 1% or 0% and size to your according to your requirement, and start painting over, and you see now the back. Once you are satisfied with your selection, click OK. Now you can see that your selection has been perfectly adjusted and perfectly refined. Go to the layers panel and create a new layer. Click on gradient tool. Select the gradient you want to use, gradient color you want to use for your hair. I will use this one. And go on and draw the gradient over your hair selection. Go to the channels panel and select the color. You can see that your color has been perfectly changed. If you want to make a further refining on your hair, you can click on the mask tool and use the brush tool as a refine to refine the edges of the hair. As you can see, we have changed the color of the hair. You can also try using the different gradient and see which color fits your hair. You can change the color. You can see we have changed our color, and you can try using a different color and the colors you like. Thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Bye.